Welcome to ABIEdu Academy. Let's begin our lesson on protecting your business with insurance. In our earlier lessons, we looked at negligence and how a business can be held liable for the harm it causes. But even the most careful business faces risk. So in this lesson, we'll explore a vital line of defense: insurance. The right insurance cover helps protect your business, transfer risk, and limit your liability when things go wrong. Let's look at 5 key types of business insurance, each with a real-world example. The first is liability insurance. This is your frontline protection against negligence claims. It covers the legal costs and compensation your business may have to pay if a third party suffers injury, loss, or property damage that your business is responsible for. For example, imagine a customer slips on a wet floor in your shop and breaks their wrist. They sue your business for negligence. Liability insurance would cover your legal defense and any compensation you're ordered to pay, instead of that cost falling on the business directly. Liability cover comes in a few forms: public liability for harm to customers and the public, product liability for harm caused by the goods you sell, and professional liability or professional indemnity for claims that your advice or services fell below the required standard. For any business worried about negligence, this is the essential foundation. The second is property insurance. This protects the physical assets your business depends on: your premises, equipment, inventory, furniture, and fittings, against events like fire, storm, flood, theft, or vandalism. For example, suppose a fire breaks out in your cafe and destroys the kitchen, the ovens, and your stock. Property insurance pays to repair the premises and replace the equipment, so a single disaster doesn't drain your cash or shut you down for good. For most businesses, the building and what's inside it are a huge investment. Property insurance makes sure that investment is protected. The third is business interruption insurance. This one is often overlooked, but it's crucial. It covers the income your business loses when it can't operate normally after an insured event. Let's continue the cafe example. After that fire, your property insurance rebuilds the kitchen. But the repairs take 3 months, and during that time, you earn nothing. Business interruption insurance steps in to replace those lost profits and to keep covering fixed costs like rent, wages, and loan repayments while you're closed. Property insurance rebuilds the premises. Business interruption insurance keeps the business alive while you do. The fourth is health and life insurance. This protects the people at the heart of your business, you and your employees. Health insurance helps cover medical costs and is a valuable benefit that attracts and keeps good staff. Life insurance, including key person cover, provides a financial cushion if an owner or an essential employee dies or becomes seriously ill. For example, imagine your head chef, the person whose skill the whole cafe depends on, suddenly becomes too ill to work. Key person insurance would give the business the funds to cover the gap and to recruit and train a replacement, rather than losing income while you scramble. The fifth is fidelity bonding, sometimes called fidelity insurance. This protects your business against losses caused by the dishonest acts of your own employees, such as theft, fraud, forgery, or embezzlement. For example, suppose your bookkeeper quietly diverts company funds into their own account over several months before you discover it. A fidelity bond reimburses the business for the money that was stolen. This cover is especially important for businesses whose staff handle cash, valuables, or client funds, and it reassures your customers that they're protected too. So let's bring it together. To protect your business and limit your liability, think in layers. Liability insurance shields you from negligence and third-party claims. Property insurance safeguards your physical assets. Business interruption insurance protects your income when disaster strikes. Health and life insurance protect your people. And fidelity bonding guards against dishonesty from within. Together, these covers transfer risk away from your business and give you the confidence to operate and grow. Remember, insurance does not replace good risk management and reasonable care. It works alongside them. Thank you for learning with ABIEdu Academy. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe to keep learning something new, and we'll see you in the next one.